You open a VA decision letter and your heart sinks. What do you do next?
I'm Cameron Burrill. For the next 10 minutes, I want to give you a short, practical checklist to pick the right review lane. Fast. No nonsense. Veteran to veteran.
Welcome to the Veteran Benefits Reset podcast, where we help veterans and their families better understand the VA disability benefits process, one step at a time. I'm a U.S. Army veteran and founder of VetBiz Media, and today we'll turn a confusing decision letter into a clear next step.
Quick note, this is general education, not legal advice. If you need a tailored strategy, contact a VA-accredited VSO, claims agent, or attorney. All right, let's get practical. A decision letter lays out what VA decided and why. Sound familiar?
It also lists your deadline to request a review. Pay close attention to that.
Read the reasons and basis section. The decision often points to the exact issue you can challenge.
Think of the 3 review lanes as tools. Each fixes a different problem, and picking the right one saves time and effort.
Higher level review is for when the VA made a clear error in how they weighed the evidence already in the file. You can't add new evidence in a higher level review, but a more senior reviewer rechecks the existing record for mistakes.
Use it when you can point to a misread file, a missed document, or a rater who misapplied a rule. The supplemental claim lane exists when you actually have new and relevant evidence that wasn't in your original submission.
That could be recent medical records, a private nexus letter, or anything new that directly speaks to the issue VA decided. Board appeals are for legal arguments, formal review, or when you want a hearing with the Board of Veterans' Appeals. They can take longer and sometimes need more formal briefing or representation. So, what was wrong in the decision? Do you have new evidence? And how quickly do you need an answer? Those 3 questions lead you to the right lane.
Higher-level review can be faster, but you must rely on what's already in the file.
Supplemental claims let you add new evidence, which is powerful, but they can take time, depending on how much evidence needs review. Board appeals may give you a hearing and legal review, but they are often the slowest track.
Evidence strategy really depends on the lane you choose.
For higher-level review, your strongest move is to quote the specific line in the decision that misstates the record, then point to the document already in VA's file that proves it.
For a supplemental claim, submit truly new evidence, clinic notes, tests, or a private nexus letter that ties your condition to service. Lay statements can help in supplemental claims when they describe specific changes or daily impacts, signed, dated, and concrete. At the board, organize a clear timeline, cite the legal error, and consider accredited representation if you're arguing law more than facts.
Timing and effective date questions come up a lot. Be careful. This gets technical fast.
As a general planning guide, higher-level reviews often resolve faster, commonly a few months. Supplemental claims commonly take several months to a year, depending on complexity. Board appeals can take a year or longer.
I know. That's a lot. Let me walk you through 3 quick examples so this lands.
Example 1. The decision says you never treated for the issue in service, but the record actually includes a dated clinic note showing treatment. That's a higher-level review candidate.
Example 2. You now have a private doctor's nexus letter that wasn't available during the original claim. That's a supplemental claim. Example 3. The rater applied the wrong regulation or legal standard. That's likely a board issue where legal review matters most.
Before you pick a lane, run this exact checklist out loud and follow it.
Step 1. Highlight the sentence in the decision you disagree with.
Step 2. List documents in the file that contradicted by name and date.
Step 3. Note any truly new evidence you can get within 30 days.
One practical action to do right now. Open the decision letter, highlight that key paragraph, and make the 3 notes beside it. Those notes become your roadmap.
I've been there, waiting at the VA clinic while records were pulled, trying to piece everything together. You don't have to figure it out alone. Organize first, then act.
If you want a tool to speed that organization, download the free 7-step Veteran Benefits Reset Guide at vetbizmedia.com/veteran7. It walks you through military, medical, and employment records step by step.
Thanks for listening to the Veteran Benefits Reset Podcast. If you found today's episode helpful, follow the podcast, leave a review, and share it with another veteran who could benefit. Download your free 7-step Veteran Benefits Reset Guide at vetbizmedia.com/veteran7. And remember, your service did not expire. Your story is still worth reviewing. Take the next responsible step.